Have you ever wondered what you might be missing by keeping others at a distance?
In a quiet suburban neighborhood, two houses stood side by side, separated by a tall wooden fence. On one side lived Tom, a reserved accountant, and on the other, Sarah, a busy nurse practitioner. For years, they had been neighbors, exchanging nothing more than polite nods and occasional waves. The fence between them seemed to grow taller with each passing season, not just physically, but emotionally. They had built their own barriers, convinced that keeping to themselves was the best way to live. One stormy night, a massive tree fell, crushing part of Tom's roof and taking down power lines. As rain poured in through the damaged roof, Tom found himself in desperate need of help. Reluctantly, he knocked on Sarah's door. Sarah, surprised by the late-night visitor, opened the door to find a soaking wet Tom. Seeing his distress, she immediately invited him in, offering towels and a warm drink. As they waited for emergency services, an awkward silence turned into small talk, and small talk blossomed into genuine conversation. They discovered shared interests, similar struggles, and a mutual longing for connection they had both been too afraid to pursue. As the night wore on, their emotional barriers began to crumble, much like the fallen tree had broken through Tom's roof. In the days that followed, as the community came together to help Tom repair his home, Sarah and Tom found themselves at the center of a neighborhood transformation. Their newfound friendship inspired others to reach out, organize block parties, and create a community garden. The tall fence between their houses still stood, but it no longer represented a barrier. Instead, it became a meeting place where neighbors gathered to chat, share stories, and support one another. Tom and Sarah realized that by opening their hearts, they hadn't just gained a friend, they had helped build a community. The affection they now shared with their neighbors brought a warmth and joy to their lives that they had never expected.
What fences have you built in your life? Is it time to peek over and see what connections you might be missing? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories of personal growth and community building.